Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is going to be a special reading for you all for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking cards for your general energies, your career situation, and relationship. So, these are for your general energy, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. So let's see what are these cards. We have Empress, Two of Cups, and Eight of Cups in reverse. So, Scorpios, in your circumstances, in your career or in your personal life, you are seeing good changes in your love or good news in your career. There is a partnership or a collaboration coming in your work that is going to increase your potential for success. You are feeling so happy, confident about these changes that are happening today in your work circumstances, or it may be the way things are in your relationship with this person you love. You feel very much confident, happy, you have mutual love, respect, and caring, and you both have a deep bond, understanding. And this person loves your company, loves to be with you, and maybe you are even thinking of commitment, marriage, starting a family together. So, good, positive changes, good news is what I see for your relationship. Your relationship is flourishing. You have happiness, emotional satisfaction, feeling of gratitude in this love when you are with this person. And you feel that they are a very friendly person, kind and compassionate, and you are happy to be with them, to be in this love, to be in this relationship. A deeper commitment, a deep bond is there in this love, and that may be the reason you are thinking of the next step. Maybe marriage with them or engagement with them. So, some kind of positive news or a happy change is what I see for you all, Scorpios. And you are very happy to be here with this person you love. And that may be the reason there is a celebration coming. Maybe they are planning to take you to meet their parents or family members. Something good, something positive. Maybe it may be the beginning of the next step. A greater responsibility in this love. That is what I see, guys. So, for your relationship, we have one card. It is Knight of Wands in reverse. So, in this love, in this connection, maybe you may have a good relationship with them. You may even get married, but there are certain things you need to change. There may be some misunderstanding, some stressful circumstances may be there. So you need to work on, and relationship is work of two people together. So if you want a meaningful connection, you must give this connection your best efforts, just like this person is trying to be the best, trying to do the best for this love, Scorpios. Scorpios, you may plan for marriage or a committed relationship, but you need to make a few adjustments. That is what I see. There may be some minor arguments, something may not go as you had expected. And relationship, in any relationship, you need dedication and focus. Only then you can make it work. So, the same way, even in this connection, you need to work. There may be some stressful circumstances, but we have a very positive energy here with these cards. So, this may work, this relationship may work for you, Scorpios. So, let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. We have Page of Swords in reverse. So, in your work, you would have faced some difficulties, something that would have given you doubts and confusion. And with this card, I can definitely say that your circumstances are changing. All those difficulties because of lack of clarity or confusion is clearing up. You will know the truth, you will know what is right, and you will know what will be the right decision for you in your circumstances, in your career. So, maybe on certain circumstances you would have lacked clarity, and today you will have clarity. All your doubts and confusions are going to be cleared, and you will see things in plain sight, Scorpios, in your career. So, whatever was confusing for you is clearing up, and there may be people who would have given you wrong information, who would have given you some negative information or something that was not true. But today you will know for sure what is the right thing, what will work, and what is the right decision today, Scorpios. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.